I know po, Madam Sponsor, Mr. President. Kasi yung experience ng Masungi, pwede pong magamit ng Project Transform. Mapapakinabangan po ng Project Transform itong experience at itong magandang records ng Masungi. Kayo po, Madam, negosyante po kayo, Madam Sponsor.
But it
Would you do
doesn't
that?
solve the legal problem of Masungi.
I'm not talking about, Madam Sponsor, I'm not talking about the legal problem.
But in the end, you have to be legally correct.
I know.
You are a businessman. Everything should be legally correct.
Well, some shrewd businessmen may be. Yung mga tusong businessman may be.
Hindi. Kasi
Pero pag
yan
hindi
daw,
tusong negosyante,
based on
hindi-
the history of Masungi, they were granted that to build socialized housing during the old times. You have to go back to the history. They did not build socialized housing. They built what do you call this? A resort. And that is not the original intention of the Masungi Geo Reserve. Oo. So, in fairness to our government officials, they cannot allow something illegal because they will answer for it in the future.
So ito pong mga member ng Project Transforms, ito po ay mga violators. So aren't they considered as illegal?
Inimbita daw nila, hindi nagpunta.
Hindi po inimbita ang Masungi. No, Masungi was invited. We talked to Masungi. Would you like us to bring Masungi here? Or even make a phone call? Tawagan niyo Masungi. Would somebody call Masungi? Right here, right now. Mag-alamanan kung sinungaling, DNR o Masungi. Kung gusto mo, magpaano pa tayo, lie detector test,
Where?
polygraph test, para malaman kung sino sinungaling.
Of the Masungi Rock.
Meron ba kayong pinadalang sulat?
The Masungi Rock Management Council was invited and Masungi Geo Reserve is part of it.
Well, show us proof, like letter of invitation. Kasi siyempre, pag in-invite sila, hindi naman verbal lang yan. Yan po'y pinapadalan sila ng sulat. Nasaan po yung sulat na they were officially invited, not just verbally? Can you show us?
Yeah.
Where is it?
Right. Invitation natin sa council will kayo can provide in hand.
We will provide you the invitation to the council of which Masungi Geo Reserve is a member.
No, what I'm saying is a letter of invitation which
Yes,
would
they're looking for
indicate
it.
that they were officially invited. Without that letter, parang hearsay lang, na-invite kahit na hindi. At siyempre, sasabihin ng Masungi, we weren't invited. At sasabihin po ng DNR, yes, you were invited. So paano natin malaman kung sinong sabing totoo o hindi? Dapat may invitation letter and then we receive.
Mr. Tulfo, Senator Tulfo, they have a copy of the invitation.
we see that?
Forward it to you.
Okay? That's good enough.
Hindi lang nila dala ngayon, but they will forward it to you.
Now, moving on. Next time naman kasi, kayo dyan sa DNR, pag meron kayong mga project, gawin nyo naman malinis po yung mga project ninyo. Gawin nyo naman pong malinis po yung mga intent ninyo kapag kayo po'y nagsibak ng mga grupo. Ayusin nyo naman po. Huwag naman yung parang lokohan para sa akin. I'm sorry for the word. Kasi para sa akin, Masungi should have been invited. Tingnan na natin itong award, mga award na natanggap nila. Isn't this enough? Aren't these enough? These awards? International awards ito. Hindi yung award lang na hausyaw na dito lang gawa-gawa ng kung sino-sinong grupo. These are international awards, well-known. Groups.
They should be included, but in the end, you cannot give a land owned by the government to a private.
I'm no longer, Mr. President, Madam Sponsor, I'm no longer questioning that.
Yeah.
Pass na tayo dyan. Ang sa akin lang, Yeah, sabi ko nga, they might...
They will give you the invitation. It's just that it's not with them now, but they will send you.
And then on top of that, babalik ulit tayo na sana hindi nila in-invite yung dalawang sinuspend nila yung permit. Now, sabi nyo kanina, you did mention na yun ay isang gathering ng disciplinary something. Can you repeat again? It's a gathering of disciplinary...
Multi-stakeholder collaboration to rehabilitate the area together with LGU. The stakeholders plan and identified projects to be implemented.
Na-mention niyo po kanina, Madam Sponsor, Mr. President, yung word disciplinary. Can you mention that again?
Ito, transdisciplinary approach towards natural resources conservation and resilience through multi-stakeholder
Exactly.
collaboration.
Exactly. Didisiplina nyo itong dalawang kumpanya itong dalawang tao dahil violator sila and yet you invited them.
Baka mahilig mag-attend.
I'm sorry, Madam Speaker.
Meron kasing mahilig mag-attend. Merong ibang hindi mahilig mag-attend.
Ayun, sino po yung mahilig mag-attend?
Siguro itong dalawang to mahilig mag-attend.
Exactly. Thank you. I rest my case.